Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have something that I ordered a little while ago that I wanted to share with you. I am going to pull up where I purchased this from so that I can give you the lowdown. Alright, so some updates. There is a place on Facebook called Handmade Diamond Painting Pens. It is who I recommend highly. They do acrylic custom pens. I do have a second person I've started buying from on Etsy. Both prices are comparable, both companies. The issue with handmade diamond painting pens is that there was always a long waiting list because they hand turn everything. They can only do 60 or so pens a week. And when I first started purchasing from them, they had like a 4 to 8 week wait period, and it just kept getting longer the more people were on the waiting list. And just want to show you some of the pens. So this is one I've showed you guys before. This is my blue and silver pen. And then I have my green acrylic pen with the 3 bumps. I really like the 3 bumps, can you tell? And I have another one that I actually won in one of their drawings, their contest. Let me see, I don't see it here. Oh, my stuff is everywhere. You guys are seeing the inside scoop. Well, it's somewhere. I have another one. It's somewhere. Maybe my daughter's using it. So yeah, I really like their pens. And I like the weight and the feel of the acrylic. And so when they posted online that they were not giving away, I had to pay for these, but that they were giving opportunity for a certain number of people to bypass the wait list, I had to jump on it. And I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to keep these or if I'm going to give them away. That's always hard. But Sean and Carol helped make these. And they just moved to a new place, and now there's no wait list. So guys, no wait list. So hop on over there. Their pens, and also you can pick out the type of acrylic block that you want. And their pens do range based on the type of acrylic you pick from the stores that they use. So at first I picked what's called a tier 2, and the pens were $35 each, and I was like, I can't really do that. And so then she and I talked, and we found something that was similar in the tier 1, which is your $25 range. And then they also do the mini pens, and what I love is they have keychains, and they have crochet hooks, and they have magnifying glasses, and your really nice pens with the gold or the silver, and etc., etc. So, oh, I'm super excited. So I wanted a red pen potentially for my collection. And so isn't that beautiful? So this is Marinara. And it's red. It's got like deep red on one side and kind of lighter on the other. And then the funny thing is you never know what it's going to look like until they turn it. And so, yeah. So I asked for single placer on each side because they don't do the 4 placers. And then that way I can remove one of the ends and put a 4 placer on it. So I'm trying to kind of, you can see I love jewel tones, right? So they want to roll everywhere. Stay. And then, ooh, this one's pretty. I asked for this purple one. And I thought that was really beautiful. I can't remember what it's actually called. So this, one of them, I think it's this one, is supposed to be a 2 bump. And that's why this middle bump is so big. And one of them was, maybe this one was supposed to be the 2 bump. And then one of them was supposed to be a 3 bump, just because I wanted to see, this might be the 3 bump. And this might be the 2 bump. But I really like that this is thinner. You know, I have thicker ones, but this thin one feels really nice. So, and they always say they can't really guarantee thickness because it depends on the acrylic block and its consistency and its turning ability. And then I told her I wanted something that a mini one, because I just needed to have a mini one. So this is super cute. It's just this cute little aqua color mini one. I did not pick one of these out because the deal was just you could pick 2 pens. But I asked her, I was like, do you have any just in your stock that, you know, you haven't sold or somebody said no to? Something that was in this aqua color. And she said yes. So she showed me a picture of it and I approved it. And I think this is just adorable. I don't know how that's going to work, but I just thought it was cute. So it is Handmade Diamond Painting Pens. It is a Facebook group, and basically you have to go, usually I go to their announcements and then see what I can what link I can go to for the pen, the acrylics. And now with the no wait list, check out their Facebook group and see what you can do. So these are amazing, and they have a lot to offer. So go check out Handmade Diamond Painting Pens at Facebook. I'll put the name down below, but there's not really a link because it's through Facebook. So just check them out. Just do a little search for Handmade Diamond Painting Pens. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, there's a bell somewhere down below. So take care. Love you all. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.